Hey there, David with Chef's Temp here. Today, I'm going to show you how to adjust the exhaust vent on the grill and the magnetic damper on your Breezo fan to get the most steady pit temperature that you can possibly have. Let's go ahead and dive in. First, after you've set up your Breezo fan, you'll need to make sure the magnetic damper is attached to the fan. This is a crucial step in controlling your pit temperature effectively. Depending on your grill size, you'll want to adjust the damper's opening. For most grills, keeping the damper about a half or a quarter open works great, but you can also adjust it to just slit open based on your needs. Now, let's talk about the exhaust vent at the top of your grill. When you're using the Breezo fan, it's really important to adjust this vent to just barely open. Why? Well, if you leave the top vent fully open, air will start drawing in through the fan, causing thermal runaway or an overshoot in your target temperature. So make sure the exhaust vent stays just slightly leaked open, allowing the Breezo fan's controller to do its job without interference. This helps prevent temperature spikes caused by wind coming through or a breeze across the vent. By keeping the exhaust vent barely open and the Breezo fan damper set right, you'll get a more stable, consistent temperature inside of your grill at all times. And that's it, pretty simple. You're all set to get the most out of your Breezo fan and your ProTemp S1. Thanks again for watching, and happy grilling.